Hi guys, Peter here. I'm in Cyprus at a reservoir, a very nice location, a lot of nature. You can see over there is an old church. Because they created the reservoir over here, it came underwater, but it's so low now. Let me see if you guys can see this. Yeah, you can see the water over here. The water level is so low that right now the church is not underwater anymore. But still, it's nice to fly out here. What I'm gonna do, I want to test the advanced flight modes from the Mavic Air, but I also want to capture all of this area, and for that I just need the Phantom because it's faster, it can go further. If I would have to film this with the Mavic Air, it's gonna take forever. So first I'm gonna do the features of the Mavic Air, and then in the next video I will fly around the area over here. And now my hook is making noise. You're not going to tell me the battery is down because I charged it all night. But now it's red, and I think it should be red. I don't know. It wasn't red before, so alright. We don't want that to happen mid-flight. Okay, I got my telephone on the Osmo, so I have to use another tablet for this. So I'm going to use the Shield, and that means I will also be able to record the screen for you guys, which is, I think, very good, because if I do these advanced features, you want to be able to see what I'm doing. So this screen is recording. I got the big microphone on the Osmo because there's wind here, and we can also see how good the wind caps are from the hook. There's always a little check that I can do. If I have control, I put the camera up and down, you see, and then I know, okay, there is a connection between, and now the hook starts to beep again. I cannot work with this, so I'm gonna put this away. I still have the Osmo microphone, so I'm gonna put the Osmo microphone in here and hope that will be good enough. I may have the audio from the Osmo. I should have the audio from here. I'm starting the Go app and it does not see the thing, which is weird. I'm gonna get the small plug out. I'm gonna try this one. Now it sees it. Okay, let's spin.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, nice view. We're gonna do the advanced. No, not this one. This one. Okay, so we want to do, let's first quick shop. Enter when recording stops. Cannot enter this mode due to the aircraft recording a video. Tap OK to stop recording. Okay. Circle. The area is free. Do it. Around the subject, don't show again. Let's do a droney, because that's the first one. Yeah. I don't know where I have to start for making a droney, but I am filming myself, kinda, alright? Tap or draw a box around the subject. Okay, that's me. Okay. Whoa. It will make a circle. It's, I would say so. There is just trees around there. Okay, so obviously this didn't go too well. Quick shot. I want to make a droney first. Droney. Distance 100 meters. That's quite something. Let's first position it like it should. So let's do it like this. Let's start from here and then tap or draw a box. Okay, around me. 3, 2, 1. Nothing happens yet. Yeah. Okay, so it. Oh, that's nice. Hi guys. So it is making a droney all by itself. That is just, yeah, that's funny. Wow. And if it's all right, you might be able to see that church in view. It doesn't have the church. Whatever. Will it automatically come back? It does come back. And that's a nice feature. Because if you have to do things like this manually, that's quite difficult. So, all right, very good. Let's do the circle now. But I want to go back, so I'm sure that there's no trees. Maybe a little bit higher, just a little bit, like that. Okay, circle, and then draw. I selected circle, but I don't see this box appearing, so I'm gonna get out of it and get in it again. But right now it's not recording. Oh yeah, I had to stop recording because of what? Oh, it will automatically start recording, I guess. The Helix. Let's do the Helix. Tap to change circling direction. Clockwise or counterclockwise. Whatever. The thing is, it's not doing anything. You see, I tap everywhere, but oh, wait. Oh my goodness. No, I want this. So I have to draw like this. And then say go. So now it's making a helix. That's the idea. And you can see what an awesome location I selected. It's like a little cabin, little house, abandoned, destroyed, but perfect for me to sit on. I never used all these automatic features so much because I like to be in control. So that's it. I only hope it is recording, because my record button doesn't say that it is recording. Flying back to the start point. Okay, well, let's see what more. They have a rocket. I think I have to be completely above myself, and then it will go up. So like this, rocket. Okay. Oh, it has to be in front of me, like this. All right, like this. That might be fun. Don't show again. Camera up. Hello. Here we are. Okay, so we want to do this. You see, now I have this round green circle showing me I have to draw an object. I didn't see it just the other time. So this, and then go. I hope it's recording now. Hey! It's not going very quick. It's kind of losing a little bit of track of me, but not like really bad. Yeah, I can see over here. Yeah, okay, so now, yeah, I can see that it is recording. Whew. Okay, and then it will just go back to the original position. Okay, it still says it's on active track, and I can cancel it. But I guess that's just because it's going back to the original position. Or maybe it's also recording. Okay, so nice. So that was the rocket, and then the boomerang. All right, aircraft will fly around the subject for a circle, then ascend to the farthest position and fly back to the start point. Finally, you can tap the boomerang icon to adjust flight direction before flight. Okay, so we got the boomerang. We're gonna draw a box around me. We say go, and what's gonna happen? It's gonna fly in a circle. It should not be a problem with this tree, and now it's like going away, and now it's zooming. It's funny. It's funny. It's like an advanced selfie, you know, like you see a lot of the surroundings like that, and you're still filming yourself. Okay, so, and then we got the Asteroid. We'll fly to peak point, then capture a... Oh, what? What is it gonna do? This is gonna be fun. Yeah, I think this is gonna be fun. Alright, draw a box. Go! It's gonna make a little planet. Wow. And now it's gonna make a wow. You see, it's gonna scan all the area, the whole area. It's gonna
Low battery warning.
You got enough, 29% to finish this. So it just scanned all the area, and then it will make a little planet from it, which is pretty funny. but we'll have to see how that looks like when we're back home. Okay, we did one section of advanced flight modes with a full battery.
Landing.
Alright, I hope you liked the video, guys. Why is that one not recording? Oh my goodness. For some weird reason the Osmo was not recording. I hope this was because it just stopped automatically. I don't know.
Flashback.
It did not record. It just did not record. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, give any of your comments, and see you on the next video. Wow.
Traffic.